welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you and be part of this adventure with me. And for today's video, we're going to be tackling this bedroom. And this is my spare bedroom in my home. This is where usually my parents stay when they're coming for vacation or any other family member. And it's get to the point that it's a complete disaster. I have shopping bags everywhere. This is actually some shopping that I've been doing and collected for a Christmas haul that I'm planning to do for you guys. Plus I have pillows, blankets, and paper files everywhere, and it's get to the point that is a big disaster that I need to organize, especially now that the holidays are right in the corner and we are planning a family vacation as well. And this is the bedroom that I like to use to organize my luggage and all of the stuff that I like to take with me to the trip. And yeah, today is gonna be the day, and I hope this video can be a good motivation for you guys to organize any space in your home that you've been wanting to do. And yeah, just go ahead and clean with me. I hope you like and enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, with all that being said, let's just get started and clean this disaster. you.